Are you overweight and decided to buy Java Burn to lose weight? Be very careful. You need to be very careful if you want to buy this product. Well, I need to give you a very important alert. Many people have taken counterfeit products, thinking they are taking the original one. In addition, they lose money. They are at serious risk to harm their health. So for this not to happen to you, I will leave the official website of Java Bird in the description of this video for you to access it safely. Only on the site that I put here in the description of the video, you'll be able to acquire the original Java Burn and still have access to the manufacturer's guarantee. Ready? Now that I have left you here this first alert, I can give you some more important information about this wonderful product, which has helped thousands of people to regain their self-esteem, to help them lose weight in record time. In case you don't know me yet, my name is Shai. In addition to telling you about the official website, which is in the description of the video, I will also answer you the following questions now. What is Java Burn? Java Burn is the world's first and only patented formula, 100% safe and natural, which when combined with coffee can increase the speed and efficiency of your metabolism, while instantly boosting your health, energy, and well-being at the same time. What is the correct way to take Java Burn? You can take Java Burn at any time of the day. However, for best results, it's recommended that you take 1 pack of Java Burn with breakfast to maximize its effectiveness throughout the day. How long does it take to lose weight with Java Burn? So guys, you can notice the first results already in the first month. But the researchers indicate consistent treatment for at least 90 to 180 days to ensure that you will really have expressive results. How many bottles do I recommend you get? In order for you to be able to keep the treatment for at least 90 to 180 days, it's recommended that you purchase the pack of 6 bottles or the one with 3 bottles. Does Java Burn have any side effects? No, Java Burn is made of from 100% natural ingredients, and you can take it with ease. It won't cause you any side effects. Also, it doesn't change anything. It doesn't change the taste of your delicious coffee because Java Burn is tasteless. Java Burn is 100% natural, it's vegetarian, gluten-free, it's GMO-free, but as always, if you have, for example, a medical condition, it's recommended to consult your doctor. In addition, Java Burn is FDA approved and GMP certified, okay? So if you had doubts whether Java Burn works, yes, Java Burn really works and you can have a lot of results by taking it. Just be careful, as I said, to buy it on the official website that I put here in the description of the video, so you don't end up buying fake products which can harm your health. So guys, and remember that only if you buy Java Burn through the official website that is in the description of this video, you have access to a 60-day money-back guarantee. This means that in case you can test Java Burn for 60 days, okay, with no risks, and if you think you change your mind, if you think it doesn't work for you, so you can have a full refund. Good? I hope that this video has helped you, and then tell me in the comments your experience taking Java Burn. A big hug, stay with God. Until next time, guys. Bye.